today I want to do a video review on the Blizzard Survival Blanket. Okay, this is BPS/10 Blizzard Survival Blanket. This was sent to me by the guys from Blizzard Protection Systems Limited. Okay, that's Blizzard Survival, and this is a metallized multi-layered survival blanket. Okay, the temperature's starting to drop out here. It's only 5 degrees Celsius and dropping, but if you're out here with not a lot, this is what you want to use. So pull this open, and then that's going to reveal the bag. Okay, so we're going to chuck this down, and then we just need to start pulling this apart gently. Okay, the instructions are on the outer bag itself, and obviously you could do this for a casualty, you could open this up for a casualty or for yourself. Okay, so we're just going to open that up. Okay, it's got some sticking sides here, so we pull this tape off of the sides here, and then we can do this up around us, unlike the normal polythene bags. Okay, so we're going to open this up. I'm just going to move over here. Okay, right. Okay, so we've got this tape here, so we can peel this off with the red side showing, and we can then attach that to the other side. So we'll wrap this around me. Plenty of room in here. Done the tape up, wrapped it around me, keeping that wind right off me. Guys, please like, comment and subscribe.